Hi Flutes, Mrs. Stein here. We are practicing page 4, song number 1 in your book. And as I said before, we're going to use the note B, but we're going to ignore the flat sign. So even though it says B flat, we're just going to play the note B. So remember how I showed you how to set up your fingers last time? You want to have skip the top key, press this one, skip this one, press this one, press this one. Down here, it's 1, 2, 3 is where your fingers go. On the back, we are on the paddle key. Remember I said this one looks like a golf club, which would be this way, golf club. This one looks like a paddle, like that you could paddle a canoe with. So that's where your thumb goes right there. And remember how I showed you to lay it down into your finger so that that acts as a shelf. If you're having trouble holding your flute up, it feels like you're gonna drop it, you're probably not letting it rest in here. So you make a shelf and let it rest right there. So to play the note B, you are going to use only your thumb and your first finger right here. These ones will just hover. They're not actually going to press, they're just going to hover over. And also these ones are going to hover as well. Remember to keep your bottom thumb right in between these fingers. And you want your thumb print to be on here. So don't scoop it like that. That's gonna hurt your fingers. Just like this. So we have the fingers down for B. Here we go. We're gonna play song number 1. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. That's the end of the song. As you can see, there are 4 whole notes in the music. So we've only played 4 whole notes with the rests in there, and then that was the end of the song. A few more tips before we try it again. These are all things I've told you already, but it's always good to have reminders, and if you're having trouble making a tone, this might be something that can help you. So remember, you want to blow the air straight down. You can practice by blowing it onto your knuckle. You should feel the air here. You should not feel the air here in front of you. You do want your lip to cover over a little bit of the hole. About 1/3 of the hole should actually be covered by your lip. And your chin right here, it already has a nice curve on it. And that's right where the flute fits in, under there. And remember we talked about tonguing. You want to start your note off with a 2. So you can practice making that 2 sound. That's called tonguing. We're going to play this again one more time, and your video this week is going to be to play this song for me. In your video, I would like to be able to see you, your embouchure, and both of your hands. So make sure that in your video, you are set up so that I can see you sitting up nice and straight, and I can especially see your mouth, and I can see both of your hands. That will help me to make you a better musician, so I can tell you if you need to adjust your hands or adjust your embouchure in any way. So get your device set up in the right spot, or have a parent or a sibling hold it for you so that I can see you sitting straight, I can see your embouchure, and I can see both of your hands. And so here, this is exactly what your video should look like. 1, 2, ready, play.